up guys, welcome back for another video with your boy Dremix. Okay, if you haven't been here before, we do some adventure vlogs throughout the state of Hawaii. Okay, we do a lot of fishing, we do some hiking, we do a little bit of hunting. Okay, Raja. We do a lot of fishing videos. So that being said, I'm gonna try my best and mix things up a little. Okay, I don't want my channel to be a completely fishing based channel. I want to be known as an adventure vlogger, and I want to implement a little bit more of the adventure vlog into the adventure vlogging channel. I want to do a little bit more of a day in the life kind of vlog, or a daily vlogish vlog without posting daily, because it is a lot of work. So we're gonna mix things up. Like I said, we're gonna do a day in the life today. Got the day off, it's a beautiful day. It's a little overcast, which means it's not super hot. I don't know, just wing it, bringing you guys along. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned and let's go. Bruh, this chicken though, my friend gave it to me for my birthday last year, and on the wrapper it said you have to be 21 years of age to play with this chicken. Chicken! You have to be at least 21 years old to play with this chicken. It's only awkward if you make eye contact. Well, let's go. I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna order some food and then head out to the beach. Forgot my jacket. Cannot forget the jacket. You know, I got a moped, so. Oh, yeah, drop them. And I can't forget the chicken. I gotta bring this bad boy with me. Eye contact. The jacket, rain pants, water, and the chicken. Cannot forget about the chicken, the most important thing. Raja. Bam. There we go. Hey. Oh, good, no worries. Hadi. Bro, trying to ride with food and one drink on a moped. It's pretty challenging. This is my big day because I have no choice. All right, we made it to the beach. Beautiful day. Like I said earlier, it's a little overcast, but it's not that hot. Light breeze, keeping us cool just a little bit. And the food survived. Let's go. Double cheeseburger and one Pepsi. It's fully survived, almost survived. Pepsi got crashed and fought on one couple times. Figured I'd come here, eat some lunch, chill out for a little bit. Oh, this hell major. But yeah, figured come here, eat some lunch, hang out for a little bit, wait for my cousin. He should be coming down. Chill out, chill day, cruise him. I don't know if we're gonna do anything after this. We're just chilling. Let's go. What's up, bird? You're not the chicken, but you're still a bird. Chirp, chirp. Damn, that was pretty killer. Good food, good view, beautiful day. Life is good. Gee, look, going for the curly fry. Yeah, you eat those curly fries and let's go. Come on, guide them. Eat. Or not. Okay, never mind then. We're really not gonna eat this curly fry. You know what? Well, screw your stinking curly fries. Nah. I get people up there already. I don't know what to do now. So, hit up my cousin. He said he's at one of his friend's house or property area, or he sells coconuts on the side of the road. It's pretty cool. We're gonna meet up with him. Cruise him. We're just chilling, guys. I'm taking you guys on my adventure throughout my day. Cruise, boy. Yes, sir. If you guys in town, you coming to Pololu, stop on by Coconut Dan and hook you up. Oh, thanks, sir. Raja, more hollows. Brother Dan, let's go. Yeah, sweet score. Gee. Hey, it's got like a coconut, that's why. Hey, get the killer view over here. Yeah. Ocean view. Kind of see the valley a little bit. Yeah. Pat, you can lift this chunk up. Yeah, you can lift this robusta. Sick one. Oh, coconut! Coconut! Gee! Or not, coconut! Coconut! What a coconut! Coconut! Gee! Coconut! Nope! Coconut! Some brothers and sisters like some coconuts, Raja. Or not, we might be scaring them away. They don't like the coconut. Maybe we'll scare them away. Wait, one of my favorite things is when I'm cruising and running through people doing random shit. And we get to come over and do random shit too. I wasn't expecting to have a coconut in my hand today. Oh, this goat crap. Goat shit. Pretty shitty. Nice white flesh, huh? Coconuts here. Straight out of Quahog. Those are fatty. Yeah, how's this on fishing pole? I can't even lift them up. Addy, this is easy, like 40 feet long fishing pole. This thing better catch tunas. Raja, the fruit shack. Oh, look at the goat. Goat action. Chew. Messing around. Looking cherry. Watch out, mouths. Shoot. Until next time, how to hold that. Until next time, Brother John.
Thanks for stopping.
Guaranteed, thanks for having me over.
Thanks for all your positive vibes, man.
Guaranteed, guaranteed. Okay, shoot, guys. Yeah, hey, next time you come by, stop by. Shoot. Shoot. All right. So the other day I went cruising on the moped along the cliffs where I live, and I realized there's these two pegs right next to this big old rock, so people can rappel off of the pegs. I'm thinking to myself, no way would I rappel off of those pegs because it is super rusty, super old, and it kind of shifts when you move it. So I know that rock right behind the peg is pretty big. Might be big enough to support some people. So I'm gonna go back there, check it out. Probably wrap my rope around and see how well that rock will hold. Probably not gonna, no, I'm guaranteed not gonna rappel today. Just cause it's, you know, rule of thumb, you go at two people. You don't go by yourself because something happens. Aloha oi. Stick around, guys. I'm gonna hit that off-road with the moped, do some four-wheel drive action with only 2 wheels. So I'm only gonna bring 20 feet of rope in my hand ascender. I'm gonna wrap the rope around the rock. Rock is super, what is it called? Coarse, or it's very rough, sandpapery, like very high grit sandpaper, or low, I guess you could say. Low grit sandpaper. It might do some real damage to the sheath of the rope. But I'm still gonna check it out. That's why I'm gonna test it today. So when we go there next time, we're not gonna fall to our death. Look at all those chickens. Oh, chicken! So look what we have here, a cooler. I was thinking of taking it, but the owner is probably somewhere around here. And there's a cow skull right there, so. Okay, just a random pig skin hanging out. Pig skin, cow skull, cooler. Imagine there's somebody's head in there. Oh shit. Oh, somebody's head. I wanna go and look in it. Nah, I'm not gonna take them, but like look what is inside. Crickets. And moving forward. Not windy at all. This is one of the spots that I was thinking of that we can rappel. Just one of them. And guys, I am not a professional climber or rappeller or abseiler, that's even the thing, or a rappel master. I'm not a rappel master, that's for sure. That's actually a real thing. Please guys, do not even do this. If you are going to do some kind of climbing here in Hawaii, or abseiling or rappelling, please make sure you get proper training from a professional, okay? Make sure. Safety is key. Yellow jacket? Oh, nope. I am not dealing with bees today. Well, anyway, I'm sure we can walk down here. It's super sketchy. I mean, I can name some people who are ballsy enough to just walk down this kind of cliffs, but no way. See, like right here, I don't know where we could tie off. Maybe. Oh, these trees are looking kind of skinny. Skinny. This is maybe like 3 inches in diameter. I wouldn't want to tie into something that's only 3 inches. That feels sturdy, but I wouldn't want to fully rely on 1, maybe 2, but still 2 trees with 3 inches of diameter. It doesn't convince me enough. This place is not looking that good, but as you can tell, it's super windy. Now there are all the white caps, Maui in the back, but not enough to convince me that this is a safe tie-in spot. One thing about Hawaii, not much climbing. Where I live, it's super windy. So the wind mixed in with the salt, just perfect grounds for erosion. Not a lot of hard rock here. Sure, we could tie into this tree. That tree looks cherry. Oh, maybe not. It's dead. You gotta be on it when you're tying your own anchor. There's another spot. It's super windy, but we can check that out. Watch my step. I'm gonna go down a little bit more. Oh, there's definitely a lot of rock slides going on here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but on that flat rock right over here, this flat rock, a bunch of dirt, rock. You can tell it obviously fell off of this cliff. I'm not too intimidated by this ledge. It's pretty hard to determine how far it is in the camera. It's probably 40-foot rappel, not even that bad. 40 feet, 40, 50 feet, not bad at all. This tree over here is cherry. All in all, it looks like it's still growing. It looks like it's still alive. I would tie into this. Maybe potential spot right here. On our way down, we clean it up a little. But let's check it out, a little bit more down. Gee. Stop, on my way here, you got a glimpse of some loose fishing line, bro. You gotta clean them up, hey. So you just come out here and fish, just clean up your rubbish, you know that. You know what I mean? I'm not your grandma, I'm not your mama, but I'm sure they will tell you the same thing. Please clean up your rubbish. Oh, fatty string. Here we go. There's the peg, or pegs. I'm not using both of those just because it's super rusted. Not reliable. Look at this rock right here. Big old boy. It looks big enough to hold my weight. But at the same time, it doesn't look big enough to hold my weight. It's sketchy though. Speaking of running the rope through this little puka right there, wrap them around the rock a couple times. Separate rope or webbing around a different rock, so you get 2 anchor points. I might be able to use this rock right here too. You can run the rope through the little puka right there. Wrap them around a couple times on both of these rocks. Going the master point right around here, I guess. Yeah, right around in this area. To the bottom, right here, right there, that's probably about 30 feet, 35 feet. Not even that bad. But regardless of the distance of the cliff, if your anchor points are shitty, then you're gonna go die. The one thing about these rocks, when the trade winds are blasting through along with the salt breeze, it starts to erode the sand around the bottom of the rock. Little foundation, making it easier for them to topple over. Barely adding force and it's shaking a little. Pretty sketchy, you know, I don't want it to fall. And that's what I don't want this one to do. 2 or 3 little areas that are holding that rock up. But I'm sure if it shifts over, it's not gonna fall on me, but it's gonna be sketchy if I'm on the rope and that happens. I don't want it to shift on me. That's why I'm here, checking it out. What's up guys, it's a little windy, so I gotta do a voiceover like that. So just a reminder, I'm not a professional, but I'm trying my best to make sure whoever is on my rope is safe. Gee. What I'm going to do is wrap the rope around the rock and load some of my body weight onto the rope via hand ascender and look and see if the rock will have any kind of movement. What I should have done was bring all my gear like my harness and stuff and try to load most of my body weight onto the rope without putting my life in danger. The rate you're seeing right now is not what I would normally use to rappel. I would normally have a lot of other gear to use as to tie into an anchor point, but this, I'm just tying it like this to see if there will be any kind of significant movement in these rocks. So after surveying the area, or especially these rocks, I feel like they can hold my body weight. I just don't want it to shift on me or on anybody else if they are on the rope. I'm not 100% satisfied with using these rocks as anchor points. You gotta be very careful when choosing your anchors, and I'm not gonna risk it for the biscuit. It's not worth risking somebody's safety or health for a YouTube video. So I will not use this place to rappel unless we can tie into a truck. That'll be pretty sick. Well, that is the vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Day in the life with your boy Dre. If you haven't been here before, we do a lot of adventure vlogs throughout the state of Hawaii. We do some fishing, or a lot of fishing. We do a little bit of hiking, a little bit of hunting. We're gonna do some rappelling. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment and tell me what I should do different, guys. And hit me up, say what's up, let's go. Okay guys, aloha, mahalo, and until next time, shoot.